America.
Oh hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to the freaking video. Well, I should say welcome to the vlog. So we're going camping. I was requested to do this. I know it's not going to get good views, so I don't really care. So I'm just going to film whatever I film, and I hope you guys enjoy. Milady, your chariot has arrived. Yeah, we're stopping at getting McDonald's because Callie's hungry. I didn't litter.
Oh!
Oh shit.
Want your cellular?
Get the thing. We finna check in campsite 511, come hang out, you know? Even though this is not getting posted until like Tuesday. Yeet. No generators on. Shit. Oh wait.
Second left.
Second left. This is cool over here.
I think we passed.
That's so good. How privileged are we, eh?
What do you mean?
Want to get away from society and camp like poor people.
Yeah, for a weekend.
Yeah. It's nice to be poor for a weekend. Psych, I'm poor my whole life. My whole life. Well, we is here. Don't know what I'm going to film, how much I'm going to film, or if this is going to go up, but I will let you guys know.
Oh, Damian, stop at my house.
What?
Stop at my house and get the dogs.
You should have brought the dogs.
We didn't know. They had a
This place is a no pit bull. Like, why? We just saw a pit bull walking.
Wait for all the knife throwing pros in the comments.
The knife throwing? Oh yeah, everyone's a knife throwing god in the comment section. Nah, ain't no one gonna watch this video, so we gotta worry about butt hurts.
That's true. Alright. Really? Oh my! It's because the camera, that's why.
She's under pressure. Under pressure!
Shut it off, shut it off. Thing.
Here. Just film like zoom in on the line.
Yeah, I know.
Didn't even.
Oh. Whack.
So far. Hey!
Oh, I
Oh,
almost
you
had it.
almost got the two.
I win.
Watch your knees.
Yeah, watch my knees.
That one was clean.
What the heck?
I got two, girl. What up? So we out here, we got the freaking tent set up tight. Alright guys, tent tour. We got all the things we're meant. Very nice. Yeah, King letting a damn fire there, boy. Callie's over here.
I'm glad you missed that one. Oh my god.
Oh, I got one.
Got the jam going too.
Well,
Yeah, dude, this is the setup.
we're on Friday night.
Quality. Callie's taking the beast to the camp store.
Hey, you dropped this on the road the other day.
Oh yeah, huh? Thank you. Oh, you know what, dude? Well, I still don't have a ratchet, but I was gonna say I didn't bring an extra spark plug or this, but now at least I have this, so I could turn it really hard by hand. Alright, we're gonna go on a quick little drive around this campground on my beast. Hopefully not disturb the peace too much. Oh, look at that. That's a big German Shepherd, Callie. Look at that. That's a big boy.
That's a whole Shiloh Shepherd.
Really? It's a cool dog. That's a big ass body of water. This campground is tight. Hey guys, remember 511 Berlin game come through? Respect to these people. They brought it down, alright? Hell yeah. Someone also got pulled over in a campground. I don't know what the hell you do to get, you know, porked like that, but a bunch of kids. Callie! Damn it. This girl is just a freaking nuisance.
Are you cheating on me?
Am I cheating?
What is this?
Fuck if I know.
So there's a whole random pink razor.
Oh,
in
you know
here.
what that's for?
What's that for?
The peeling on my forehead. I brought it to the shop along with aloe. Yeah, I just have shaving women in my car all the time.
Well, a pink razor.
You nuisance. Can you chuck those at kids when we pass by? Goddamn chicken done, boy. Yeah. Callie's a nuisance. Yeah.
What is he doing? It's beautiful.
I knew she was gonna say that. Oh hell yeah.
I had to get it. I was like, it's so pretty. I like it.
Mint. Shout out to the cooks. Main cook.
Side
corn cook.
I don't know.
Corn cook.
Try again.
Yeah, but we have the Gorgon going. Ronnie has this bright ass scary Larry lamp. About to tell some ghost stories, you know.
Sam Squanch.
Sam Squanch. And yeah, I don't know. Somebody requested that I show them how to make hookah, but I'm not doing that tonight because I already made this.
Sick.
You want to fucking race, dude? I'll sprint race you right now and you're gonna lose.
I'm serious. Let's go.
I'm down.
No, seriously. All right. Everything's wet.
Yeah. Morning.
The very first vehicle, 1987 Mazda.
I heard the beep.
So we're out here, AF. You already know. Oh, the grilled cheese is donezo? Yeah. Dang. So I'm about to have a.
Shh,
quiet.
pepper jack, cheddar.
Hell yeah, boy.
Give to me.
We out here eating grilled cheeses and putting bikes up for sale, eh?
Ew, there's tea in my tea.
What the hell are you talking about? Anyone wants to buy TTR 125, let me know. Or if anyone has a KX 100 that wants to trade for a TTR 125, let me know. Because Callie, she finna step it up. She's ready to get a man's bike. A big girl's bike, sorry. Yeah, do you want one too? Yeet. Shit cold in there. Mahoyman. Well, it's clearly day 2. Had the breakfast. About to have my pre-snack. I don't know how to do regular vlogs, dude. I only regular vlogged when I was with Nabil. Damn Nabil. It's Ramadan, dude. He wouldn't be able to fuck with camping right now at all. And he wouldn't even be able to listen to me say fuck with camping right now in this daytime.
Not haram.
No, haram is bad.
It's
It's
haram.
not halal. It's not halal. So that's how you light it. Okay, so friend, you take your bowl. Oh, you clean it. Mine is silicone with clay inside. Loosely. The tighter you pack it, it'll last a little longer, but the smoke will be friggin' way less. You want the clouds, you bro. You want the big clouds, okay? Oh, he's fell in there, it's all good. But, yeah, just like that. You use these coals, not the damn quick light coals. That's for friggin' lighting incense cones, alright? This shit has lighter fluid in it. Al-Fakir and Messiah Mint Beach. And if you see this shit above $12, $14 tops, you tell the owner of that smoke shop or gas station to fuck right off. Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
This shit's $10, $12, $14 tops. That is how you do hookah.
Kelly almost killed
Dinner
herself.
number 2. Shout out to Ronnie and Rachel for chefing it up and whatnot.
You know.
Callie did nothing.
What did you do?
Throw darts.
Yeah.
Good enough.
Throw darts really far in the woods and then you had to go find them.
Yeah, right?
Okay, well yeah, we're gonna go into like the town now and bug out. Yeah, this is where we were.
This guy's really Oh, because they're
All we wanted was some fried dough. Someone had to go and friggin'
get a heart attack on.
Point Girths Fisherman scary look. Oh, Callie, can I put you into these?
Whoa.
Alright, we're out here at Aurora Island, or Mystery Island. We got the Aurora ticket. We're about to arrange the triangles to summon Deoxys. We're about to also do a seance right quick.
I dibs middle.
You dibs middle?
Yeah.
We can possess you?
Yeah.
Vlogging, yeah. Oh, wait, no, hold on. Yo, I know how to do this. Callie, I know how to do this. Callie, roll on the ground. Callie, roll on the ground. You have to because I said it. You have to because I said it. This is the thing. Quick.
You should go with Ronnie and ask him to do all this.
No, like I'm trying to be vlogging. I'm trying to be like Instagram comedian funny right now.
Yeah.
Yo, dude, throw that ketchup. Oh, bro, no, like, come on, bro. Chuck it. Fucking chuck it.
Let me just let you know how bad that hurt to roll on these.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah,
monstrous.
slap a like on the video for Ronnie.
Yeah.
Slap a like.
Slap a like on this video. That's gonna get 1.2K views. Ain't no one give a fuck about my damn vacation. Fucking parkour over here. I'm gonna drop the camera, lose my ankle. It's a whole freaking dead stingray right there in the rocks.
I think it has an inside.
Ronnie's going ass spelunking.
Spelunking?
Yeah, I'm not going over there because
Don't.
expensive camera. Go, look at you, you got it. Yeah, Callie.
I did it.
Are you happy
Yeah.
that you didn't die?
Yeah. All right.
Alright, we gotta go all the way up there now.
Yep.
Pirates of the Caribbean music.
Not working.
Yeah, Ronnie found this friggin' sick ass quartz rock.
I'm sweating.
Callie's in the bathroom. How's it smell in there?
I don't know. I didn't breathe out of my nose once.
Ew, that's sometimes worse.
I don't care. My legs are so sore because I was keeping myself upright the whole time.
Oh Christ. Oh, you were squatting?
Oh, that's so
Oh, there
cute.
comes Ronnie. Now we do Cartigo. I'm gonna fucking scrape Callie on these things.
Yeah,
dude.
bet.
I'm gonna crash into your ass.
What's the nerve?
I'm gonna let her pass me and then pass her. I ran out of gas. Great! I ran out of gas. Where you at, Callie? I got the blue jeep now. Monica!
So much fun.
Hell yeah, I ran out of gas and I still scraped you, girl.
You didn't even scrape me. You got ahead of me.
I was wall tapping them a couple times.
You turn hard enough to get him.
Hey, how's it going, guys? This is my not AMG with AMG wheels.
He's literally just sitting on his car.
Do you think it's his mom's?
It's parked behind
Probably.
cones because, you know,
Mom, I
Can't
promise
park with
spacers help with
civilians.
traction.
I got spacers in the back.
He's gonna come over and just punch
Oh, he's
you.
right.
And a V6. I smoke weed and drive really fast on the highway.
That's not even his car.
Oh, shit.
Oh, is that his car?
Oh, no, he was just trying to stunt. Oh man,
Look at
it's
that.
actually his
Oh,
car.
Look
look
at
at him.
Exposed.
Look at those little legs go.
Exposed.
That's
He's like, oh shit.
Well,
lost
that dude
all
was
his
trying
stuff
to.
in
The
his
dude in the blue was
car.
trying to stunt, but it's actually
Yeah.
the other guy's car.
Yeah.
I was gonna say how much you want to bet it's this guy's car, and I was like, nah, it's definitely
Maybe
not
it's like
his car.
father son.
That's
Maybe it's father son. What do you think?
It's the Banks. Sorry.
Crazy, it's not echoing like it was yesterday.
Thanks, my tent woman. What, the sneeze isn't echoing?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Exactly. Like, you have to try to be dramatic.
That was meant. It echoed better because there's less people here. Oh, so
Go.
Callie's being a party pooper, so we have to leave.
Alright, you're Yeah, me.
Well, shout out to Ronnie for having us. Ronnie's just a blur right now. There we go. Ronnie and Rachel for having us.
That's the Monte. Baby gave me hand, that's a love. If she make me weed, if she did, I need a rich bitch.
Dad, been driving and whatnot. Apparently there's baby birds at Callie's house. We're home, we're safe. The clout block did like fucking 500 miles this weekend, alright? That is absolutely horrendous.
Stop that.
Alright, let's
probably
leave
mean
before we
mugging
get friggin' pecked. Alright, well yes, we are... For what? We're here. I will end the video. What do you mean? This video's gonna be so weird.
I was using that for support.
This video's gonna be weird as shit. I like filmed random like clips
Don't tell me, I'm
throughout 2 days. Yeah, you're
No, I
fucking
am.
good, girl. Alright, go take a shower. We have guests. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, have a bye, so I can see you later. Bye. I hope you had a good holiday if you live in the US. If you don't live in the US, I'm sorry. Peace out.